sell records like Snoop. I'm interrupted by a doorbell. 352. Who the hell is this? I get some quick cops my shit. Stop the dogs from barking, then proceed to walking.
What's up, y'all? I'm Joe.
I'm Stefano.
This is Yogurt Media.
Today we're going to show you how to make a $10 shop stool out of a milk crate.
Enjoy. First part of this video, we're going to be showing you all the materials used and tools used for this video on how do you make your shop stool.
First thing we're going to need is a milk crate. You can find these behind any grocery store. Be careful. You need a drill driver with a Phillips bit, a tape measure, got 1-inch drywall screws. You're going to need a drill bit the size of the shank of the drywall screw you're using. Focus on the bit centered on the...
Oh yeah, I got it.
You can get 1x2s at any lumber store. It's about $2 for an 8-foot piece. And you're going to cut that into sections that will fit inside the box you're using. And lastly, you're going to need some rotating casters, which you can get at Harbor Freight for about $2 each. I got the ones with the rubber wheels. They do roll a little smoother. And lastly, you're going to need a saw. You can use a hand saw with a miter box or an electric miter saw. It's only a couple cuts.
Lady. What do you... That size of the crate is just going to be a 12-inch, or at 12 inches, and so that's why we're cutting the wood 12 inches in length. It's just focusing on your arm, bro.
Yeah, because it's probably lighter.
So, perfect cut. That's it.
Basic way we're going to set this up is we're going to secure 2 of our pieces to the side of the crate here. We're going to use the other 4 to make a frame for the wheels to sit on. We're going to attach these in the 4 corners, each with enough room to swivel. Oh, it's crusty. Each with enough room to swivel. And that'll be the frame for our pretty low ride height on these. So it'll just look like a crate sitting on the floor until you roll around on it. You can adjust the height that this is gonna ride at just by moving down. By relocating these side pieces when you attach them to the crate. The closer to this lip you mount it, the higher it's gonna ride. The lower, the lower. If you go too low, it won't roll too well, so be careful. Mirror that on the other side. Doesn't really have to be perfect. There's nothing you're really going to notice. Make sure it clears. And make sure it's even this way.
So after you get the wheels attached to the boards, this is how it should look. It should clear on both sides. And yeah, litty.
Nice.
So now we have all 4 wheels attached to the base plates, and we're all set.
Now to adjust the ride height, you just change where you mount these boards on the side. You can take a board and see how low it's going to be to the ground and adjust off that if you wish to. Perfect. I find, depends what crate you get, but I find if it lines up with the handle, it's typically perfectly flush with the bottom there. Perfect right height. To check to make sure each corner is even, we're just gonna measure to the side there. 3 1/8, cool.
One more tool we forgot to mention was using a clamp just to hold it down when you drill pilot holes into the wood.
You just want to do this with 1x2s. If you're not using self-tappers, if you're not using self-tapping screws, you might split the board because it's so small. You could also do this whole project with 2x4s if you want just to make it more robust, but it's kind of unnecessary. Got it. Once you've secured the support pieces on the side, reinstall the wheels. Do one more check to make sure everything's clear. If it's too close, you can just bump it back a little bit. You gotta take your drill bit. You secure that, one on each corner, and then your shop stool is done.
So right now we're just drilling some extra holes, adding a few extra screws just for a more secure hold.
Job's a big boy. We don't want him to break. Perfect scraping.
I wasn't even recording. What the fuck?
It's great.
That's how we like it, bro. So this is our final product. Hope you enjoy the video. Now go build your own.